Perspective. Perspective in art is the drawing of solid objects on a two-dimensional surface, your paper, in a way that implies that that object has height, width, and depth. The object is not drawn as it actually is, but is drawn as it appears to be . Here's an example of parts of a landscape and some other elements that are included to help trick the eye into believing that your flat two-dimensional piece of paper actually goes back in the distance. As you can see, that would be foreground, middle ground, background, horizon line. And if you notice over here, this is where the vanishing point is. The boats are large up front in the foreground, but as you travel back here, they appear to disappear at that vanishing point. So here's an example of railroad tracks. And again, just notice that we know that the railroad tracks are all the same size. But visually, in this picture, it looks like the tracks get smaller and narrower as it goes back towards the vanishing point way back here. Here's a line drawing that helps to illustrate what was happening in that picture. Horizon line. Notice the telephone poles are added in this drawing, and that these telephone poles are vertical and they are parallel to the edge of the paper. And another example of one-point perspective. Can you see where the vanishing point is in this picture? And this is a city street, and you can see the buildings on either side. Now I have a few examples of student work, and this one, of course, is a city, and they use the road as part of their vanishing point. And notice how the buildings go smaller and smaller. Another example. Now this example has the vanishing point right in the middle, looking up at the sky. This is a painting by Vincent van Gogh, and his vanishing point is right out here, out the window of his bedroom. So all of these that I'm showing you here are hoping to give you ideas on what you can do to demonstrate your understanding of one-point perspective. Maybe you're not going to draw a cityscape or a landscape. Maybe you're just going to demonstrate your understanding with creating your name, similar to the project that we just finished. What you're going to do is kind of brainstorm ideas on what you would like to do with your one-point perspective drawing, and you're going to pick one and complete that for your project.